Ratio lets you take control of your watering. You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. Ratio waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. To start, Ratio is simple to install and easy to set up on the app. Customize your watering to your yard by plant type, soil type, sun exposure, and more. Then tap into Ratio's vast network of local weather stations to tune your watering to the latest forecasts. You're ready to take control. Keep an eye on your yard from anywhere. Ratio automatically checks weather forecasts and adjusts schedules for seasonal changes, colder temperatures, and rain, saving you up to 50% on your outdoor watering bill while helping save over 500 million gallons of water nationwide. And you'll know it works. Ratio is EPA WaterSense certified and tested to the industry's highest standards. So have time to enjoy that great yard without the wasted water or money. All with the control of Ratio.
The Ego 56-volt Power Plus 15-inch brushless string trimmer delivers the ultimate in power and cut capacity. An all-new brushless motor produces 5,500 RPMs of cutting power, clearing even the most aggressive overgrowth, weeds, and brush with ease. It's fueled by the industry's first 56-volt lithium-ion power source, giving you up to 45 minutes of runtime and fully recharges in only 40 minutes. The dual twist .095 string line clears a full 15-inch cut swath, and the bump feed head ensures cutting line is there when it's needed. Its durable construction is backed by a 5-year warranty. Effortlessly switch the battery between any of the Ego Power Plus tools so you never have to stop what you're doing. A string trimmer with maximum clearing power that doesn't need a tune-up. The Ego 56-volt Power Plus 15-inch brushless string trimmer. Part of the Ego Power Plus system. Power beyond belief.
Introducing the 12-amp 20-inch electric mower from Greenworks Tools. The powerful 12-amp motor delivers enough power to cut through the toughest grass and weeds. At 56 pounds, with a durable 20-inch cutting deck, it is the ideal lawnmower for small to medium-sized yards. Thanks to its easy push start and lightweight design, eliminate all the hassles that come with a gas equivalent mower. The 3-in-1 feature design provides multiple options for grass clippings from side discharge, mulching, and rear bagging. A 7-position height adjustment offers a range from 1.5 inch to 3 3/4 inch for the perfect cut on all grass types. Wide 10-inch rear wheels and 7-inch front wheels ensure the mower will move across any yard. After use, conveniently store the mower thanks to the folding handles. Check out more helpful videos at greenworkstools.com or youtube.com/greenworks.
Planting bulbs and flowers has never been quicker. This tool is specially designed to dig holes quickly and easily. Simply insert the dirt snatcher into your planting bed soil, squeeze and pull. Now you have a perfect 3-inch diameter hole for planting bulbs or nursery plants, constructed of nickel-coated steel and high-impact plastic.
Get powerful performance without the hassles of gas. Rule the outdoors with the 18-volt X2 LXT 25.5-inch hedge trimmer. It's powered by two 18-volt batteries for maximum performance and runtime. That means no gas, lower noise, less maintenance, and 0 emissions. The hedge trimmer has a 25.5-inch blade and faster blade speed for efficient cutting. You get up to 60 minutes of runtime, but with lower noise at only 86.5 dB. It has 6 speed settings and a 5-position rotating rear handle. So when you're putting a clean edge on a vertical, horizontal, or angled hedge, the Makita hedge trimmer allows you to match the speed and handle position to the application. You get it all, but without the noise, emissions, maintenance, and expense of a gas-powered hedge trimmer. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. With the fastest charge times, Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions.